I have known Mr. Musk for 5
Gavana wa hau katene wa Nairobi County, Gavana Mike Sonko ni akinyia kuria Mathare Hospital gucerera Kimani Mbugua uria ukoretwo agithumburwo ni murimu wa meciria. Kimani Mbugwa's dad na comedian Oga Obina makoretwo makihoya uteithio wa mbeca kuma kuri Kenyans niguo mahote kurugamirira medical bill cia Kimani Mbugua na niguo kwengutania family ino makiria Kimani's dad na murigo uyu murito wa besha. Gavana Sonko ni akorwo promise Kenyans ati ni akurihira Kimani Mbugua all his hospital bills kuria Mathare Hospital na gukorwo akimwethera a better hospital. Gavana Sonko hakoretwo akirugamirira medical bills cia boxer uri ngumo nene muno Conjestina Achieng uria kwa miaka mingi tuonetie agithumburwo ni murimu similar to Kimani's, murimu wa meciria. Sonko akiuga ni akwaria na baba Kimani niguo makoro magithamia Kimani kuma Mathare Hospital to a hospital ekuria Mombasa Hospital. Arauga Conjestina akoretwo amukira urigiti wa meciria make na nionekanite gukorwo improve. The hospital is in Mombasa County. Sonko akiuga he will make arrangements niguo ku make sure the family ya Kimani ni iragikorwo iri na uteithio muiganu wa besha, financial support niguo mahote kuma Nairobi to Mombasa gukorwo visit Kimani Mbugua. Na ni ukuona uria Governor Sonko agikorwo akigia na a nice chat na Kimani Mbugua, Kenyans noting ati he has improved kuma riria agikorwo admitwo kana agikorirwo admitwo kuria Mathare Hospital.